Hi, to enter recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to take USB-C cable, plug it in the phone, and at the end connect to your PC or laptop. Then we need to turn off the phone. For that, I'm gonna press and hold power and volume down buttons at the same time. And from the menu, choose to power off and then tap the icon again. Now when the phone will turn off, you will need to hold power button and volume up buttons at the same time. But once you see Samsung logo on the screen, release your power button and continue holding volume up. Let me show you. I'm gonna hold those two buttons like that and release power button, but continue holding volume up. And here it is, recovery mode. At this point, you can just unplug the cable and from here choose, for example, reboot system now or anything else from the list. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.